folks, just chewing some gum. I'm gonna try getting an angle on this thing while I'm meshing around here. But if I do this, how's that? That better? Hopefully you can hear me. I'll try to cough loud during this video. What I have here is a Lowe's bag. First I'll do with the weekly what's new. What's new and exciting? Absolutely nothing. I haven't been in here in about 2 weeks. Hard to believe I haven't been in my garage in 2 weeks. I've been here to get some tools. I've been working on the house. The weather is getting really nice. It's like, it's no longer -10 here. It's -1. Trying to get ready to start pumping out a basement again. There's work, kids, you know, usual stuff. So the weekly what's new this week is, which I'll probably put out, I don't know, whatever. I have another one, I'll probably just not put it in. I pre-recorded another one, I forgot to upload it. So I will probably put this in Monday. Right now it's Thursday night, Friday morning. So what's new? Not much. I still got things I want to work on here. I'm still waiting for it. I haven't been, what do you call it? eBay shopping in a while. I haven't bought a lot of stuff. I just don't need a lot of stuff anymore. I got most of the things I want. I did pick up a tilting vise for my either my drill press or milling machine. That's coming in. I'm gonna clean up as soon as it gets a little warmer. I'm gonna clean up the Kurt vise and maybe I'll paint it blue. And I got some good ideas on how to get it nice and shiny again. If anybody has any clue on how to get, besides buffing, I tried putting on the buffing, it won't get shiny. So I'm thinking one of those orbital Scotch-Brite pads, or I just want to get the top metal parts, because there's the 2 metal blocks. They don't make a new one anymore, so you can't buy a new one. The Kurt D50, according to Kurt Industries, has been discontinued, but it's a genuine Kurt vise, according to them. And I just want it looking nice, that's all. I'm going to paint the bottom, try to find a reasonable Kurt blue, I don't know, some purple or pink, whatever color. And I just want to make the, I'm probably going to Scotch-Brite the ways on it, I guess it's called. The ways in the vise. And I just want to clean up the outside so it looks pretty. So other than that, there's nothing else new. My garage is same sloppy place it's been for the last, I don't know, 5-6 years since I've been in this one. So anyway, if before you go, don't forget to squeeze and wheeze the like button, subscribe. If you're my 1036th subscriber, you're awesome. I don't know who's subscribing. Nobody ever leaves comments if they subscribe. If you like my channel, please leave a comment. It apparently helps the algorithm do stuff. I'm sponsored by my wallet. It's the one that keeps me buying shit that I don't need, or just buying shit, period. Which, if you watch a few future videos, you'll know I like to buy lots of shit. Or as we like to say in Mohawk, lots of otta. That's about it, really. I'll probably be putting out a lot of shorts of me working on wiring and being in the building over there. I don't want to do any carpentry construction videos because I really don't like doing carpentry. Like I'm doing it because that's just what I'm doing. It's what my father used to always say, necessity is the mother of all invention. Well, it's a necessity. I can't afford to hire a carpenter unless anybody in here wants to volunteer. Even if you did volunteer, if I can't afford to hire you, it means I really can't afford all the materials you would need to work. So I'm pretty much picking up whatever I need, buy a couple of things here, put it in there, buy up here. So it's not a huge job. I have no idea how to hang gyprock. That I'm going to learn. Probably hire somebody to do that. And just a thing on the fly. So, thanks for watching. I hope you like my channel, and hope everybody has a great whatever they're doing. So, don't forget to click buttons.